In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Gmail accounts for absolutely free. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to create unlimited Gmail accounts for absolutely free, you need to open your internet browser and you need to go to this website called Tempmail, Tempmail. Click on search, then click on this first link and wait for a few moments. Once the email address is created, click on copy. And now using this email address, you need to create your account on Gmail. Once the account is created, a verification code will be sent to this email address to verify your new account. So in order to get that verification code, you need to come back to this website and scroll down. And right here in this inbox section, you will receive the verification code. Paste the verification code on Gmail and your fake Gmail account will be created. In this way, you can create unlimited Gmail accounts for absolutely free. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.